In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download MP3 songs using Chrome. To get started, open the Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the search bar at the top and type Pixabay, then press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the search results page, where you should see the official Pixabay website listed near the top. Click on the first result to open the site. Once you're on Pixabay, you'll be able to look for music directly from the website. Pixabay is a platform that offers royalty-free content, and that includes music tracks you can browse and download. This makes it a convenient option if you're looking for audio for personal use, creative projects, or videos. Now, use the search feature on the website to find the kind of music you want. You can type in a genre, mood, instrument, or style, depending on what you're looking for. For example, you might search for something upbeat, cinematic, relaxing, or acoustic. After you enter your search, the site will show you a list of available music tracks that match your keywords. Take a moment to look through the results and choose the song you prefer. It's a good idea to pay attention to the track title and preview options if they're available, so you can make sure the music fits your needs before downloading it. This can save time and help you pick the right audio the first time. When you find the track you want, look for the download button next to it or on its track page. Click the download button to begin the process. Depending on the website layout, you may be asked to confirm the download or choose a file format. If MP3 is available, select it. After that, the file should begin downloading through Chrome automatically. Once the download is complete, you can usually find the MP3 file in your Downloads folder, unless your browser is set to save files somewhere else. If needed, you can also click Chrome's download icon to quickly open the file location. And that's it. That's how to download MP3 songs using Chrome. Just open Chrome, search for Pixabay, go to the website, find the music you want, and click Download. If you want the smoothest experience, make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough storage space on your device before downloading.